There we go. Good boy. So I'm getting Hank warmed up. I'll open it a little bit, make sure his steering is working. Let me position his body all where I want to put it. I need to do a little bit of cow practice with him. There's some things that we've been working on for him, things we've been working on for me. One direction, he needs to stop a little straighter, and he needs to let me pull him off the cow and let me help him position him a little bit better. I need to position him a little bit better in the corners to drive down the fence. So we'll be working a few corners. Just go through here and change leads. We work the other direction. When I'm doing some cow practice, we'll work some fast, we'll work some slow. It's not about running that win and run. Just like when you work in patterns, it's not about putting that winning pattern down. It's about working all the pieces so that you can show that pattern. So it's going to be the same way in our cow work. I'm going to be working some pieces, and then we're going to stop, pull off, give them a break. I'm not going to work the whole thing all at one time. All right, so let's go down and get our cow. So what I would like to do, cow's up here kind of straight ahead. I'm going to push him across to my left. What I want to do is control the cow on the end of the arena, but also make sure our position is good. We're stopping straight. Yeah. Right there, he needs to bring his shoulder to the right a little bit more. Shoulder around, get back straight. There we go. So on those right turns, he's leaving this left shoulder poked out a little bit. He needs to bring it a little further around so that we can go across a little straighter. Basically, instead of doing 180 degrees, he's turning 175 degrees, leaving the shoulder poked out, and then he's out of position for the left turn. So we got to bring the shoulder all the way around, get him back bent towards the cow so that we're set up to go the other direction. That was better. Pull off. Good boy. Good boy. Now I need to go ahead and push the cow across the arena. A couple of turns like a cutting horse is okay, but we gotta show that we can push the cow. And if I have a cow that's all he wants to do, he has to know that I can push him before we start him down the fence. So let's push this cow all the way across to that red water tub. I'm riding to the hip, go to the hip, go to the hip. Go straight. Push him across that up. Let's get straight. Get straight. Go to the other side. And we'll stop him. Gave him a hard pull because he didn't stop at the cow. Let's push the cow. Go to the hip. He's wanting to go to the head. We're gonna go to the hip. Go to the hip. Go to the hip. Push the cow. Now we'll get up and turn it. get up and stop it. Okay, now let's push this. I'm gonna walk away, and then we're gonna come out. We're gonna push this cow down the fence. See how he's a little bit sour? You really don't want to go. He just wants to sit and turn in that corner. So we're gonna see if we can push him down this fence over here, get him going, and let's see what happens. Hank doesn't really like to work this type of cow. He likes one that'll really go. And this cow is giving him a move to put him in position to turn the cow. We don't want that. Let's see how this cow's bringing us off the fence. Get him, push him all the way to this fence on this side. Then we're going to push him back to my right down that fence. A little bit of cow training here too. Now let's go back to the other side. To the hip, to the yeah. Oop, that was really bad. Turn the other way. Let's go back to our cow. We were in the open field, and Hank really just made a circle. He needs a turn. There we go. That was better. He just ran a circle around the cow. We don't want that. We want to stop and turn, go the other way. Get this cow down here. I'd like to push him down this fence next time, and I'll try to get him turned before we get to the camera. Yeah. Straight turn. Now drive to the hip. Drive it to the corner. Now down the fence. Whoop. There we go. Good boy. That's all we're going to do with that cow. We're going to stop today with Hank. Hank did good a job as he could do with that cow. It ain't going to bother you. Did as good a job as he could do with that cow. It's not a really great cow, but he's let me position him to get the most out of the cow that we can. That's important. So, because we might get a cow like that at a show, and if he don't let me help him put him where he needs to be to get the most out of that cow, we're going to score really bad. So next time I'll work a different cow on him. Those white cows have a lot more go. They're a lot more honest cows. This one's a little bit older and kind of knows moves to get out of work a little bit. So this is Hank. I'll put a link up here to his playlist, his other videos on YouTube. Until next time, thank you for watching.